Brian, the Automan here. Today we're talking about spark plug replacement and intervals to replace the spark plugs. I'll tell you what, they've stretched the intervals way out on vehicles these days. 60 is about 1,000 miles is about the soonest. Most vehicles are around 90 to 100,000, they recommend it. So it's easy to forget. It's an easy item not to service, and we often see it cause problems by not doing so. Proper spark plug replacement is super important. These spark plugs, they wear out. They burn fuel improperly when they're worn out. You don't get great combustion, you lose power. You can also start to reduce the efficiency of the catalyst and destroy the catalyst internally, which we want to avoid. So proper spark plug replacement at time and mileage, along with spark plug boots and or spark plug wires if they're on the vehicle and required. Most vehicles are now coil over. They have a little boot as far as that goes. It goes onto the top of the spark plug. Replacing these items will prevent coil failures. Coils tend to fail from being overstressed. Once the plug has worn its life out, it's super hard for it to cause the plug to spark properly, to therefore ignite the fuel in the cylinder and get good combustion. So basic maintenance, replacing the spark plugs when recommended by the manufacturer will keep your car in great working order and keep you out of the shop. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.